According to the Madison Police Department, the number of heroin overdose calls has skyrocketed in the past few years.
Health experts say treatment opportunities are there, but not being used. Our Carrie Larsen found out why this has become such an epidemic in our community. She's in the newsroom with more details tonight. Carrie?
Eric and Susan, the statistics on overdoses from the Madison Police Department are pretty shocking, and recent numbers show the problem is only getting worse.
The addiction of heroin completely consumes and overtakes somebody.
Madison police warn the addictive drug is hitting Dane County hard.
3 years ago in 2013, we were at 158 reported overdoses. And then last year in 2016, we're at 459 overdoses.
Officer Dan Swanson tracks the number of overdose responses daily and says the department has already received 50 calls this year. 3 were fatal.
We're only in March right now, but if I look back at March of last year, for instance, January to March, I would say we have more at this point than we did at that point.
So what's causing the spike in users?
A lot of people point back to just the availability of pain, narcotic, prescription drugs.
Medical Director for UW Pain Services, Dr. Al Abdel Sayed, confirms that's a large part of it.
I think there should be awareness among people and healthcare providers about keeping things in balance, not going an extreme of either over-prescribing or under-prescribing.
He says it's also because of just how addictive the drug is.
Some people think, I will do it once or I'll do it twice, and then even people going for treatment with all their will, but sometimes it's hard.
Several healthcare providers, like UW Health, are working with law enforcement to find a solution.
Something has to change. What we're doing is not working.
They hope new programs will provide some relief.
Education, of course, cutting down the source of those drugs so they are not easy to obtain.
Any little bit helps, yeah. Every life you can impact and get a treatment is a life saved.
Dr. Al told me they are regularly working on new treatment plans, but many heroin users are not seeking recovery, and even if they do, he says they do typically relapse. Madison Police is hoping to help with that, though, through their new program called Madison Addicts Recovery Initiative. Eric and Susan, I will explain more about how that program works on News 3 at 6.
All right, we look forward to learning more. Carrie, thank you.